Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 7. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. In the light of the above principle, let us consider the claim of the parties. We have already referred to the fact that the respondent committee has instituted various suits at Delhi under section 134 of the Trademarks Act impleading the petitioner herein as defendants. The respondent has also pointed out that more than 50 suits have been pending all over India. Though the petitioners have raised the problem of distance, language, and age of the president secretary of their respective trust, we are of the view that same hurdles are applicable to the respondent also if their suits are being transferred outside Delhi. It is true that the petitioners who are defendants in order to defend their case necessarily have to spend some time at Delhi. However, in view of the amendment made in the Code of Civil Procedure in respect of recording evidence and of the fact that Delhi being a capital of this country and the petitioners who are running educational institutions have to visit this place for their official work, we are satisfied that balance of convenience and all other attendant circumstances are not in favor of the petitioners transferring the suit to their place. As rightly pointed out by learned senior counsel for the respondent, if the request of the petitioners are acceded to, taking note of the fact that their institutions numbering more than 700 have been spread over India and 50 other suits are pending in various places, it would be more difficult for the respondent plaintiff to continue with their suits, and in that event their suffering would be more than the inconvenience to be caused by the petitioner's defendants. We are also satisfied that it would be far more practical and in the best interest of the parties that the proceedings are conducted in Delhi. Further, if the petitioner's claim is accepted, it would open floodgates for similarly placed person infringing registered trademarks to approach this court to transfer their suits to the location convenient to themselves all over India and to defeat the purpose of section 134 of the Trademarks Act, which confers a jurisdiction with respect to a registered trademark. Since the issue relating to jurisdiction, particularly whether court at Delhi has jurisdiction or not, is to be decided by the trial court, we are not expressing anything on the merits of their claims. In the light of what has been stated above, we do not find any valid ground for transfer of the suits as claimed by the petitioners. Consequently, all the transfer petitions are dismissed. However, we make it clear that we have not expressed anything on the merits of either parties, and it is for them to plead and establish their respective case. No order as to cost. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.